Another great feature of the Qwiktarp is these pockets right here. These pockets are double reinforced for the Qwiktarp itself. So what happens is we use a telescoping rod here. A lot of our clients have used like a wooden dowel or maybe even a shower curtain, but we're using a telescoping graphite carbon fiber rod here. So let me show you how this works. What that graphite carbon fiber rod does, adds just for a little bit more rigidity for your Qwiktarp. So if you're going through a place where you might be setting for a long time and heavy rains, you may want to put one in. You don't have to, but maybe for just a little peace of mind for yourself. Remember, Qwiktarp, made in America, right here at the Palm Springs facility. If you own a truck, you got to get one.